start. The reasons which have been extracted earlier clearly indicate that, according to the assessing officer, it was from a perusal of the assessment records that it was revealed that during the previous years the assessee had not carried out any manufacturing or trading activities and that the company stopped. From these provisions, it is clear that initially what subsection within bracket 1 of section 122b contemplates is that the land management committee or the local authority shall inform the assistant collector in the manner prescribed where any property which is vested in a Gaon Sabha or a local authority has been damaged or misappropriated or where it is entitled to take or retain possession of a land which is occupied otherwise than in accordance with the provisions of the Act stop. However, subsection within bracket 2 of section 122b makes it abundantly clear that the assistant collector can be satisfied in regard to the damage or misappropriation as contemplated in subsection within bracket 1 or in regard to unlawful occupation of a land either on the basis of the information which is received under subsection within bracket 1 or otherwise stop. The expression is wide enough to include information which is received from any person in regard to an unlawful occupation or possession of a land which is vested in a Gaon Sabha or a local authority stop. Rule 115D makes the position equally clear because if the land management committee or the local authority fails to take action in accordance with section 122b, the collector is thereafter empowered to act stop. Under clause within bracket D of sub rule within bracket 1 of rule 115D, the collector can act on facts otherwise coming to his notice stop. Thus, a comprehensive procedure is laid down in section 122b of the Act as well as in rule 115D within bracket 1 of the rules for invoking the jurisdiction of the assistant collector or as the case may be the collector stop. The first is exercisable at the pre-cognizance stage, the second at the post-cognizance stage when the magistrate is in session